30,000 men set out on a 5-day desert raid. Before dawn, the crews climbed into their tanks. 2 months later, that small force had destroyed an entire Italian army and taken 130,000 prisoners. Italy had poured a vast army into the desert, fortified camps sprawling across the sand near Sidi Barrani. Mussolini expected to march on the Nile. Facing them, a single, outnumbered British force and a quiet general named Occana. Then Occana struck. At the spearhead rolled the Matilda, armor so thick that Italian shells simply bounced off it. The fortified camps fell in hours. The prisoners came not in dozens, but in thousands. The advance became a flood. Australian infantry stormed the fortress of Bardia, then the port of Tobruk. Each stronghold gave up tens of thousands more. The Italian 10th Army was dissolving, fortress by fortress. But thousands of Italians were still escaping west along the coast. Occana made a reckless bet. He sent his armor, exhausted, low on fuel, straight across open desert to get ahead of an entire retreating army. A small flying column, Combe Force, raced to the coast road and threw a barricade across it. They were in position barely 30 minutes before the first Italian vehicles appeared. The trap had closed. At Beda Fomm, the Italians fought to break out. Tank after tank charged the roadblock and was knocked out in the open. Their army commander was killed.
And Barba Elettrica, electric whiskers.
The general, who had escaped Bardia on foot, 75 miles across open desert, then slipped away again at Tobruk. This time, there was no escape. By the 7th of February, it was over. The message Occana sent back read simply, "Fox killed in the open." 30,000 men had captured 130,000 for 500 dead. It was Britain's first great land victory of the war, and the disaster that would summon Wavell to Africa.